Hello, I'm Juliet Hooker. I'm an associate professor of government and African diaspora studies at the University of Texas at Austin. I wanted my research to challenge the somewhat simplistic comparisons between U.S. and Latin American racial politics that are prevalent in today's popular media. To do so, I used the Humanities Research Award to research the ideas about race of prominent African American and Latin American thinkers of the 19th and 20th centuries. This allowed me to chart a hemispheric intellectual geography of racial theories that are distinctive to the Americas. This project is soon going to culminate in a book entitled Hemispheric Juxtapositions, Theorizing Race Across the Americas. I began by analyzing the accounts of race formulated by four key figures in African American and Latin American political thought: the former slave, abolitionist leader and orator Frederick Douglass, the Argentinian statesman and pensador Domingo Faustino Sarmiento, the towering Black intellectual W.B. Du Bois, and the Mexican philosopher José Vasconcelos. Tons of books have been written about all of these thinkers, but until now, they've never been read alongside each other. Latin American political thought is generally viewed as having formulated more flexible and complex notions of racial identity than those that emerge in the United States. This is why the growing demographic presence of Latinos has led some to claim that they're going to challenge U.S. ideas about race, particularly the tendency to think in binary terms, in terms of black and white, and to overlook the existence of mixture. At the same time, African American political thought is generally viewed as being solely preoccupied with domestic problems of racial equality for African Americans within the United States. This book challenges both of these positions by showing how U.S. and Latin American thinkers, even in the 19th century, looked to political models in the other America to advance racial projects in their own countries. I argue that we need to move beyond easy narratives about one region's superior approach to race to see that hemispheric comparison has been central to the formulation of both Latin American and U.S. ideas about race. With the support of the grant, I was able to travel to 3 different countries, which allowed my research to come alive. I visited the Museo Histórico Sarmiento in Buenos Aires, for example, which houses the majority of Sarmiento's papers. And I was also able to do research at the Schomburg Center for Research in Black Culture in New York City, where I was able to access some of Frederick Douglass's unpublished writings on Latin America, including some of his reflections on the annexation of Santo Domingo, or the possible annexation of Santo Domingo in the 1870s, which is today the Dominican Republic. The support of the HRA was thus absolutely crucial in allowing me to complete my research and to access archives across the Americas in Argentina, Mexico, and the United States.